Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Leo placement. So, may mga ano-ano pa ako, diba? So, anyway, Leo, this is your general and the person on your mind reading ngayong June. Okay, so let's see ano bang meron. So, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, again, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating sa ating mga items. Okay, so meron tayong protection from evil eye na ibinabato sa atin. So ito yun, ring, meron din tayong bracelets, and meron ding necklace kung ikaw is into necklace. So ito siya, yung necklace natin. By the way, this is ang tawag dyan, unisex. Okay, yung ating necklace. And syempre, yung diba, nabuhol-buhol sila. I'm so sorry, mga items. So, pagdating naman sa love, if you're single, if you're looking for love, looking for a partner, and kung ikaw rin naman ito, nasa isang situation na napakadaming conflict, so, yeah, yung ating love bracelet, ang for you. Okay, so ito, meron tong citrine. Nalilimutan ko laging sabihin. Meron tong citrine stones. Okay, kung makikita nyo, ito. Yan, may mga kasamang citrine. What is citrine? Good for money. Okay, money magnet. So diba? So there's love. So this energy na parang pa-attract. Okay, love and money. Ito yon, yung ating bracelet na to. Okay, kasi andyan yung parang magiging attractive ka, no? Sabihin natin magiging magnet. Yan, parang ganyan. Ito yon, yung ating love bracelet. Kung ikaw ay lalaki, pwede mong ilagay ito sa pouch. Okay, kung gusto mong mag-purchase. And syempre, yung ating, si grantor muna. So, si grantor is yung taga-grant na mga minamanifest mo. Okay, taga-grant and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. And syempre, last, yung ating cord cutting. So, para maalis, sabihin natin yung mga MALAS. Diba? Na nagbibigay ng MALAS sa'yo. Yan yun. Yan yung in general, para hindi na tayo masyadong maraming paliwanag. So, let's see. What's for you, Leo? In general, ngayong June. What's for you? What's for our Leo placements? Okay, Leo. Let's see. Leo, what's for you? Chariot. Travels. Could be travels. Progress. I'm hearing progress. Patutunguhan. Parang may ganyan rin. Yeah, see, justice. Chariot and the justice. So, kung ano man yung mga binabalak mo, aksyonan, gawin ngayong June, justice is here. Yeah, justice is here. Some of you, meron ditong mga uusad na mga kaso, or sabihin nating mga final na kaso, cases, This is legal. Some of you, merong ulit, sabihin nating magiging ongoing or mapaprocess, something like that. Some of you, I'm hearing, pwedeng makakuha ka ng, tawag dyan, visa to travel. Okay? So, what else? Oh, this is nice. The 8 of Wands. So, a lot of actions. A lot of, sabihin nating, forward movement. Okay? Ngayong June for you, Leo. Okay? The Lovers in reversed. Okay. Some of you, may chance na meron ka makaka-connect romantically, or sabihin nating casual muna. Pwedeng magkaroon ng opportunities in love yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Yes. Na pwedeng may patutunguhang maganda naman. Okay? With a fire sign or a Gemini. Okay. The 9 of Swords. So, ano yan? What's with that 9 of Swords? Okay, 'di ba? Hindi ako masyadong ano dito, ano ba 'to? Nine of Wands in reverse. Enough with the stress. Oo, enough. So, I think malilesen. Oo, malilesen. Or kailangan nyo na talagang itigil. Oo, yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Itigil. This is, no action. Kung ano man itong mga pinagkakatakutan mo, or kung ano man itong mga pinag-overthinkan mo, ini-stress mo, o siguro may chance na pwedeng malilesen nga or matitigil. Okay? Kasi ang daming mangyayari Sabihin natin, ayun nga, forward movement, mga action, mga progress, mga improvement this June for you. Okay? So, malilesen. The Magician in reverse, the Emperor is here. I don't know, some of you, kung ikaw itong parang nakokontrol, may chance na sabihin natin hindi ka napapakontrol. Okay? Yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Something will go to in a fruition, or something like, yeah, this is talking about abundance. Okay? Kung makikita nyo, abundance. Fruits. O, diba? Ang ganda, ang galing. So, I have here angel number for you, 999. Okay? So, kung ano man yun, check nyo lang sa Google. So, yeah. 999. Okay, so that's for you in general. Yeah, so let's go na sa iyong the person on your mind. So, how is it going? Ano na bang meron? Oo, dyan sa inyong connection. So, let's see. Who is this person you're thinking? Leo. Who are they? Who is this person? Leo. Anong meron sa kanya? Leo placements. Let's see. Okay. Leo. For day. The Emperor. Could be an Aries. Some of them, they could be a boss. Okay, may pride, may ego. They have power, some of them. Hindi power as in, kapangyarihan talaga. Tigilan nyo, ha? Ano tong Emperor? Ano to? Okay. Power to rule, parang may ganyan. King of Swords. Some of them pwedeng sundalo, lawyer, police. Okay, they're like working under government, some of them. So, they can rule. They have power. Okay, parang ganyan. The Sun, ego and pride. So, nakakuha ko ng energy from this person na parang, yeah, this is you. This is you. Parang pataasan kayo ng kaalaman, no? Parang ganyan, pataasan kayo ng ego, pataasan kayo ng pride ng taong to. Tama ako, hoy, mas tama ako. Hindi, mas tama ako. Parang ganon, no? Yung inyong, kung ano man, connection. Anyway, let's see, ano bang situation nyo? Some of you, this is your asawa. Okay? Some of you, this is your asawa. Pwedeng kasal, legal. Or gusto mo siya na mapangasawa, may ganon. Let's see. Anong situation? Okay. The Five of Wands in reversed. What's with that? Okay. The Ten of Pentacles in reversed. Okay, the Seven of Swords. Somebody cheated. Yeah, the Tower. May nag-cheat. Okay, may nakikipag-ayos dito. May nakikipagkasundo dito. Pwedeng sa pera. Some of you, parang ang inaayos na lang dito itungkol sa pera or sa mga responsibilidad if ever meron kayong mga anak. Okay? Parang gusto nang i-fix kung ano yung mga nasira. Parang ganyan. Yes. So, ano bang emosyon niya ngayong June? Anong emosyon niya ngayon sa'yo, Leo? Anong emosyon niya sa'yo ngayon? What's this? The Seven of Pentacles. Okay, this is expectations, invested. Hear me out. Ayun ang narinig ko sa kanya. Hear me out, Leo. Hear me out. Seven of Pentacles. And the Nine of Cups. Yeah. I think this person gusto niya makipag-ayos talaga actually. Mas magkaroon ng peace of mind over this. Okay? So yeah, Judgment. I think this is Judgment, the awakening. So siguro there's a lot of realizations, no, na nangyari. Okay, how do you see this person, Leo ba? Ano bang nakikita mo for dito sa taong to? Anong nakikita mo sa kanya? Let's see. How do you see them? Yeah, nakikita mo na gusto niya makipag-ayos. Some of them, you see this person as somebody na pwedeng nag-cheat nga. No, nagkaroon ng iba. What's with the Three of Cups? Temperance. Okay, so you're giving this person healthy boundaries. Okay, you're sabi parang hindi ka nagiging open. Pero yeah, ang nakikita ko is alam mo na gusto niya makipag-ayos, pero hindi ka agad-agad na magiging open. Yeah, the ego and the pride. Okay yun. Ayos yun. Healthy boundaries. Okay? So, the Five of Pentacles universe. Alam mo, Leo, may chance na may magandang patunguhan tong connection na to. Yeah. Yes, yo. Let's see. Nakikitaan mo naman ang progress if ever. Nakikitaan mo naman siya ng progress. So, kung ikaw hindi ka makaresonate, yeah, better luck next read, no? So, anong meron next action niya towards this connection? What is their next action? Okay, what's this? The Ten of Cups universe. The Ten of Cups universe. And this, yeah, okay. So, andito yung parang e-effortan niya kung anong man yung mga dapat effortan. So, they're giving effort. Okay, they will give effort. Alam nila na sila yung nagkamali. Ano daw to? The Hangman. So, giving actions, giving you answers, clarity if ever. So, ano ang advice for Leo? So if ever na talagang nagbibigay ka na ng healthy boundaries sa connection nyo na to and hindi pagiging open agad-agad, that's nice, that's good na action. So ano pa ang kailangan gawin ng mga Leo sa connection nyo na to, or advice? Anong advice ang pwede? Chariot in reverse. Okay, Chariot in reverse and the Devil. Okay, Two of Swords. Avoid mo rin daw po, no, Leo, avoid mo rin daw yung sobra-sobrang pagiging closed off. Okay, kung meron kang kailangang desisyong sabihin or kailangang desisyon na ipaalam sa taong to, gawin mo. Hindi mo raw po kailangan na sobra-sobrang parang guarded. Okay? Some of you, kung ikaw sa sarili mo alam mo na sobrang dami ng ganitong nangyari sa buhay nyong dalawa, like paulit-ulit na, then this is a sign na parang okay, this is enough. Okay? The Devil, sinasabi rito na kung sa tingin mo kailangan mong i-avoid tong connection na to, do it, pero kailangan mo ring maging what? Upfront. Kailangan mo maging upfront, no? Dito sa connection nyo na to. Hindi yung parang may papaasahin ka lang. Kung ayaw mo na, then say so. Okay? So, ganun lang. This is a decision na kailangan maging open ka. Hindi mo kailangan, yeah, you have to, this is a commitment. No? So, maging, tawag dyan, transparent. Kung ayaw mo na, then say it. Kung gusto mo pa, then ipakita mo na hindi ka totally, like sabihin natin 100% na guarded. Okay? Magkaroon ng kooperasyon sa isa't isa. May ganun po. Okay? So, Tayo ay tumungo na sa all signs. Aries through Pisces. Kanya-kanya yun na situation. Okay? Pwedeng hindi ka makaka-resonate sa binigay kong advice. Yeah. Again, don't forget na mag-share, mag-like, at mag-subscribe and follow. Yeah. So, Aries through Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Let's see. Their energy is towards you. So, Aries, they're looking for you. They're confused. Taurus, they're invested. They're waiting for you. Gemini, gusto niya na magkaroon ng magandang kalalabasan tong connection nyo na to. Cancer, they're moving on. Or they have action. They have, sabi natin movement. Okay? Forward movement. So, Leo, they're sad. They're unhealed. Virgo. Itong si Virgo may chance na parang they see something good, no? Pagdating sa connection nyo. Libra. It's like bahala na. Ayun ang narinig ko kay Libra. Bahala na. Parang ay go with the flow lang sa'yo. Scorpio, they have third party. Some of them, or some of you, kung meron ditong energy ng breakup, they could be, moving on na. Okay? Sagittarius. Meron akong nararamdaman coming from this Sag na they're like, nakokonsensya. I don't know, may chance na pwedeng binackstab ka nito. May nangyaring separation. Now they have a lot of realizations sa ngayon. Itong si Sag. Capricorn, okay, invested pagdating sa kanilang pera. Some of them, they want long-term connection with you. They want, happy ever after with you. Parang ganyan. Okay. So, Aqua, this is a burden. Some of them, they want to put effort. They want to exert effort here sa connection. Pisces, so they're longing for you. I think they're longing for you, pero they have to like to distance emotionally sa'yo and magkaroon ng new beginning sa part nila or maybe sa part mo. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Leo placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!